This exercise is a goblet squat. It's an exercise designed to strengthen the quadricep muscles at the front of your leg. So what you'll need for this is your looped band, which I'll get you to pop just above your knees, some kind of chair or box, you can even use your bed at home, and then a weight that you can hold in a goblet position. Now the goblet position is here on the chest, and I do want it quite close to the chest, not out like so. So the goblet squat here, with your box or chair behind you, weight in goblet position, pushing out on the band with your knees just ever so slightly. We break from the hips, so I stick my bottom back and then I sit in the hole to touch the box or chair and then come back up and squeeze my bum at the top. So going through that pattern again, break from the hips, sit in the hole, touch, come back up and squeeze your bum at the top. And that is your goblet squat.